Starting at section 6, visualizing data, we want to get onto the IoT platform. So we'll start at the IBM Bluemix site. We'll click launch. We'll be pushed to this page. We click launch again, and we're pushed to this page. There shouldn't be any default boards, but we can create one. Doesn't matter what you name it. This is for sharing, so we'll skip it for our purposes. And this is our new board. Before we add some tiles to it, we want to go into devices and device types to register our sensor tile. Click add device type. And then for its name, I just chose sensor tile. And the description doesn't really matter. This information doesn't matter as well. You can leave it blank. And we could click next here, but we can register our devices right away, which is the sensor tile. And here we get to choose the device ID. I chose to select the name that was given when the Bluetooth paired with the BlueMS app. So it is BM2V220. We'll click next. I'm not really sure if you can rename this to anything else, but this information is not needed. And this is new. The authentication token can be user inputted. However, when I did the guide, you can just press next and it'll generate one. I recommend it because it's quite finicky with what it requires. So we'll press next. And this is our summary. You can press done. And this is the information that we need to input into the BlueMS app for it to connect. This is our authentication token. So this is what it looks like once all the data is entered into BlueMS. Make sure that you're in IBM Watson IoT and not Quick Start. Then you can press the upload button and it'll start sending the data. So up until now, we've covered entering the platform, making a new device, and registering through these steps the sensor tile. And once you've pressed the upload button on the BlueMS app, you'll be greeted with this page, and you can select whatever sensor data that you want to push onto IBM Watson. Here I've only pushed the accelerometer, but for this demo, we'll just select temperature because it's a little easier to do. We'll go back to boards, select our demo board, and then now we can add a new card. These cards hold the data visualization. So we'll go into generic visualization. We'll select the device that we've registered earlier. And then now we can select a new data set. Okay. And now we've highlighted temperature in our BlueMS app. So I'm just going to click this. The property is just temperature. And these are, you can put whatever you want. Click next. And then we can choose what type of visualization we want. 29 degrees sounds pretty good. Then we'll submit, and out it pops. It's nice to use this to constantly get updates on if the app is reading. You can repeat this procedure with other cards, and you can choose as much data as you want to be streamed onto IBM. Just toggle them on in the BlueMS app.